This, that, these, and those. Let's talk about when to use these 4 words. This. We use the word this for one thing that is close to us. This pen is black. That. We use the word that for one thing that is far away. That pen is blue. This bottle has water inside. That bottle has juice inside. This tree is small. That tree is big. This post is close to me. That post is far away. This is a seed. That is a backpack. Let's try a quiz. Here is a sign. Should I say this sign or that sign? You're right, this sign. This sign is orange. Another sign is here. Should I say this sign or that sign? That sign. Good job. These. We use the word these when we're talking about 2 or more things that are close to us. These pens are black. We use the word those for 2 or more things that are far from us. Those pens are green. These containers have water inside. Those containers have alcohol. These trees are short. Those trees are tall. Now let's try a quiz. If I want to talk about the sticks over there, which word do I use? These or those? Those. Good job. If the sticks are close to me, I say these. If they're far away, I can say those sticks.